Hi, I'm Andy with True Blue Quilts, and today I want to tell you about the AnglePlay templates. What is AnglePlay? AnglePlay is a set of acrylic templates that help you make half rectangle triangles easily and accurately. So here you have your basic half square triangle, and you can see all these different half rectangle triangles that I have built around that basic block. There's a specially engineered tip that helps you get perfect points almost every time. If you can use a rotary cutter, you can use the AnglePlay templates. The design opportunities are endless. Let's take a look at what you can do with these blocks. AnglePlay templates come in a variety of sizes, from 2 inches by 4 inches all the way up to 6 inches by 12 inches. I'll put ordering information in the video description below. Spinning the quadrants gives you 4 different blocks. When you change just a couple of the colors, your design opportunities are endless. Let me show you just a few examples. Choose a fabric for the corner square that is different than the rectangles. Then as you rotate the quadrants, you can see that the design on the left is what will appear when you put the pinwheels together. Using an accent color behind the rectangles allows a lot of different shapes to appear, like the star on the left or the lightning bolts on the right. Hopefully you've seen a lot of different fun options that you can sew with the AnglePlay templates. I will be offering online courses for a variety of different AnglePlay blocks in the very near future. Please sign up for my newsletter so that you can be the first to hear about these exciting opportunities.